In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your way through Shein's wishlist feature using a simple and efficient process. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or you're venturing into the world of online fashion for the first time, this guide will help you streamline your experience and make the most of Shein's user-friendly interface. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go to the Shein website. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a range of options tailored to help you find exactly what you need with minimal hassle. The layout is designed for ease of use, ensuring that everything is just a few clicks away. Now that you're on the website, you'll find the navigation bar at the top of the page. Please go ahead and sign into your account if you haven't done so yet. This will give you access to all the personalized features Shein has to offer. Once signed in, navigate to the Wishlist section of the website. You'll usually find this option at the upper corner of the homepage, represented by an icon that looks like a heart or a star. Clicking on this icon will take you directly to your wish list, where you can view all the items you've saved. The wish list is like your personal catalog of things you'd like to purchase but are either waiting for the right time or just want to keep an eye on. It's an incredibly handy feature for managing your shopping journey, allowing you to keep track of your fashion desires and revisit them when you're ready to make a purchase. After entering the wish list area, you'll see a button labeled Boards. Clicking on this button allows you to organize your saved items into different categories or boards, making it even easier to find them later. For example, you might have one board for summer dresses, another for shoes, or perhaps one specifically for gift ideas. This organization is particularly useful if you have a long list of items, as it saves time and prevents you from scrolling endlessly whenever you're ready to check out those potential purchases. You can even add notes to the boards, reminding yourself why you saved each item. Maybe it matches a certain pair of shoes you own, or perhaps it's a good option for an upcoming event. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully navigated to and organized your wish list on Shein. Using these simple steps, you've ensured that your future shopping sprees are as efficient and enjoyable as possible. Thanks for joining me in this guide. I hope you feel more confident in managing your online shopping with Shein's wishlist feature. Happy shopping!